Guys, this is from cryptoforbet.com. Today, guys, another great video for you guys. Today, I'll be looking at the cryptocurrency Verge against the US dollar and of course, the Bitcoin. As you can see here, basically since start of December, since mid-December, I'm sorry, Verge had an epic bullish run, guys. If you see here, we saw gains of over 1,000%. Um, Although we can see here that gains could be as high as about at least 1,500%. So, and this has occurred in basically less than 2 weeks. This massive run here, and of course we see here that when price moved basically to mid 20 December 23, we see that price fell, and from then we can see this key support forming, and of course a triangle structure of forming. We see here that price has respected the key resistance as well as the key support of the triangle structure so far. However, there are two scenarios that could potentially occur here. We could see basically price break through this key resistance, moving to this next key resistance here, or price would then manage to break through this key support. And of course, we have to have the next key support set right here. Currently, the price is basically just in the middle of the structure. Obviously, I won't be surprised if price continues to fall below here, potentially at 0.135, 0.136. Of course, any levels to start looking away if price manages fall below 0.13, then that does start to get a little bit what I would call worry that we could potentially see a bearish breakout if price does manage to fall below 0.3 against the US dollar. But nevertheless, guys, if prices manage to fall to at 0.13 level, I think that could be a great entry, as we can see a quick bounce back up here, say 2.17 or 0.18, and to me that's still a pretty good game in terms of trading. And of course, if price does manage to break through this key resistance and moving up to 0.12, then we're talking gains of 100%. So of course that is very attractive, and I definitely do highly consider for you guys having a potential entry around these key levels. So anywhere above 0.13, especially anywhere to me, anywhere below 0.14 is actually a very good entry. And of course, let's take a look at Verge against the Bitcoin. We do see a similar structure occurring right now, triangle structure occurring as well, as we see that price has respected key resistance and key support so far. But for Verge against the Bitcoin, we see that the fall in the ratio is slightly greater. We see here that the ratio is basically it's almost touching the key resistance now. So it'd be pretty interesting to see how the price continues to move. And once again, if the ratio does manage to move, basically touching this key resistance here, I do still think it could be a very good entry, basically for you guys to be switching some of your Bitcoin to Verge. Nevertheless, I would, of course, for this ratio, of course, we'll look for if the ratio basically manages to fall below this price here, then it might be more it might be time to convert back your Verge to Bitcoin. But nevertheless, focusing back on the US dollar here, if prices manage to fall to this key support here, I still do think it would be a great entry. Anyway, guys, I'll keep you guys updated on the price of Verge, whether we'll see price move back down here, maybe bounce back up, potential bearish breakout or bullish breakout could occur in the coming hours, in the coming days ahead, potentially hours. And of course, if you guys do like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more analysis video.